Good morning students. Today we are going to see in rational numbers 4 important topics we are going to discuss, right? First one is additive identity, multiplicative identity, additive inverse, multiplicative inverse. This is so easy and easy to remember also. Just listen to me carefully. What is additive identity? Additive identity. Take 5, okay? If you add 5 to number, what you will get the same 5. What you are going to add to a number to get the same identical number. That is the concept behind additive identity. What number you are going to add to get the same 5? 0, right? So 0 is the additive identity. Got it? Very simple. Not only this 5, anything. Take A. A plus what is A? 0. So, this is the concept for additive identity. What you are going to add to the number to get the same identical number. What? 0. So, 0 is the additive identity. What is multiplicative identity? Take the 5. Since this is what identity? Multiplicative. 5 into what is equal to 5? 5 into what is 5? 1, right? So, here, what is the multiplicative identity? 1. 1 is the multiplicative identity. Understand? So easy to remember. Come for additive inverse. What is additive inverse? Negative of a number. To make it even more simple, just change the sign of the number. That's it. What is additive inverse? Just change the sign of the number. Look at the first sum. Additive inverse of 2 by 8. This is plus, right? If nothing is prescribed means it is plus 2 by 8, positive rational number. So, additive inverse means minus 2 by 8. That's it. Come for the next one. Additive inverse of 5 by minus 9. Here it is negative rational number. So, simply 5 by 9. Take the sign. Understand? Just change the sign. That is additive inverse. That means negative of a number. Okay. Come for multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse means even more easy. That is reciprocal of a number. Okay. You all know what is reciprocal. Just a ulta of that number. But you should not touch the sign. Understand? Just leave the sign. Just do only the reciprocal. Okay. Listen. Multiplicative inverse of 13 by 2. What is 13 by 2? It is 2 by 13. This is the reciprocal. Just do the ulta. Okay. Multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 3. See, you should not touch the sign for multiplicative inverse. Keep the sign as it is. Minus, you are going to do the reciprocal of a number. So, 3 by 5. Okay. Now, we will go for the number line. Okay. Representation of rational number in a number line. How we are going to represent minus 5 by 6 in a number line. Okay. Now, as usual, look at this one. This is what rational number? Negative rational number. So, of course, it is left hand side of the 0. Right? Now, before going to keep the 1, minus 1, what you are going to do, before placing the minus 1, what we are going to do is just look at the denominator. Denominator is what? 6, right? So, when the denominator is 6 means you are going to split the number line into 6 equal parts. Understand? Depends upon the denominator, we are going to split it. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this one, we are going to write minus 1. Next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is minus 2. That is the first step. Understand? You are going to split the number line into 6 equal parts because 6 is the denominator. If 8 means you have to split it into 8 equal parts. After that, come for 1, minus 1. Here it is minus 1. So what you are going to do is, what is the denominator? 6. You should convert that into minus 6 by 6. What is minus 6 by 6? If you cancel, it is minus 1. In the place of minus 1, what you have to write? Minus 6 by 6. Depends upon the denominator. If it is 5 means you should write minus 5 by 5. Got it? Likewise, then if this is minus 6 by 6, what will be then this number? This is minus 7 by 6. Okay, next before number is minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, 0 by 6 is 0. What we want minus 5 by 6. Just mark it and put a round in the number line. Got it? Come for the next sum. Look at this one. This is 3 by 8. This is a positive rational number. So I am going to start from right hand side. What I said, you should not place the 1, right? Before placing the 1, look at the denominator. What is the denominator? 8. We are going to split it into how many equal parts? 8 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this one, what you have to put? 1. The next again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't have space. 8. You have to put 2. Got it? Now, what is the next step I said? In the place of 1, what you have to write? Since the denominator is 8, you should write 8 by 8. If this is 8 by 8, what is the before number? 7 by 8, then 6 by 8, then 5 by 8, then 4 by 8, then 3 by 8, then 2 by 8, then 1 by 8. 0 by 8 is 0 only. What they want? The given number is 3 by 8. Where is 3 by 8? That's it. Next topic what we are going to say is rational numbers between two rational numbers. How many rational numbers lies between two rational numbers? This is a very important question. How many rational numbers between any two rational number? Infinite. We can't count. Now look at the sum. How many rational numbers here they ask you to find? You are going to find 3 rational numbers between minus 2 and 0. Before, see, here you have to look at the given numbers. Is it in the form of P by Q? You all know rational number, it is in the form of P by Q. That is numerator and a denominator. If the given number is in the form of numerator and denominator, then you have to find the LCM. Here they didn't give you in the form of P by Q. It is simply an integer. It is a rational number only. How this is a plain number, not in the form of P by Q. So before finding that any rational number between rational numbers, you have to make the denominator same. Understand? That is the first thing you should do. Make the denominator same. Whatever the given numbers they have given, you should make the denominator same. Okay, see minus 2. How I will convert this into a rational number? Minus 2 by 1. 0, how I am going to do? 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is 0. Minus 2 by 1 is minus 2. Okay, now look at the denominator. Both are same. But we can't find the 3 rational number. In between there is only one rational number. What is that? Minus 1. But we want how many? 3. If that is the case, I will tell you one easy method. Okay, what you have to do is multiply the numerator and denominator by 10. Into 10 into 10. Understand? This method is applicable only for the numbers which are not in the form of P by Q. Take this like minus 1, minus 3 or 5, 7. What is the rational numbers? Find any number of rational numbers they can. These type of numbers you can apply this method. Okay. What is the answer? Minus 20 by 10. What is here? 0 by 10. In between I am going to write first one is minus 19 by 10, then minus 18 by 10, then minus 17 by 10. It will go till 0, but I want only 3, so I am going to stop here. 3 number is enough. Okay, so you just write only 3. Minus 19 by 18. If it is 5 means you have to write minus 16, minus 15. Understand? This multiplying the numerator and denominator with 10 is applicable. Again I am telling you, applicable only for these type of numbers which is not written in the form of P by Q. Okay, that means you are going to convert that into 1. Denominator will be 1. So you can easily multiply 10 with the numerator and the denominator. Understand? But it won't be applicable for normal rational number which is in the form of P by Q. Got it? That is the difference. Next, look at the sum. find three rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Listen carefully. What is the previous sum? It is between -2 and 0, right? So the denominator will be always 1, 1. So what is the method I preferred? I mean, what method I suggested? Multiplying the numerator and denominator with 10. But look at this one. Here, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. We can't multiply it by the 10 and 10 because we want to make the denominator same. If you multiply it by 10, it will become 40. This will become 20. Will the denominator be same? No. So that's why I'm telling don't apply this numerator and denominator, the 10 concept here. What we are going to do? Just we are going to make the denominator same. So what is the usual method we will do? Find the LCM, right? So first you find the LCM. LCM is equal to 4, 2, 1. So LCM is what? LCM is equal to 4. Right? Now, take the number, first number 1 by 4. What is the next number? 1 by 2. Since this is 4 itself, no need to change it. So, if you want, you can multiply it by 1 or else you just keep as it is. 2 means what you have to do? LCM is 4. So, you should multiply it by 2 into 2 into 2. So, 1 by 4, 2 by 4. Can you find any number between this two? 1 by 4, the next number only it's showing, right? There is no between number. So what is the next step means here the first LCM is 4. Then you have to continue with the next LCM. What is the LCM? First LCM is 4. So second one is just multiply it by 2. That's it. It's a multiples, right? LCM means what? It's a multiples, right? So 4 is the first LCM. This of course second will be 8. Come on, take the first one. What is the first number? 1 by 4. What is the second number? 1 by 2. See, denominator is 4. But what is the LCM? 8. So you should multiply it by 2 into 2 by 4 into 4. So 2 by 8. This is 4 by 8. So in between, what is the rational number we have? 3 by 8 only. Only one number is there. But how many numbers you want? You want 3 rational numbers. So again, go for the next LCM. First LCM is 4, the second LCM is 8. What will be the next LCM? LCM is equal to, just multiply it by 2, 16, right? Then take the first number. What is the number they have given? 1 by 4. What is the second number? 1 by 2. So 4 into how much is 16? Into 4, into 4, then into 8, into 8. So 4 by 16 and this is 8 by 16. So what is the between numbers? The next number is 5 by 16. The next number is 6 by 16. The next number is 7 by 16. Got it? You should do like this. Find out the LCM till you arrive for the number of rational numbers in the question. Okay? See first into. So here I am going to end the chapter. We will see it in the next class.